Welcome back, everyone. Today video is all about the legendary Chevy Impala 396. Whether you've just picked one up or you're looking to maintain an already pristine example, this video will give you the essential tips on keeping your Impala 396 running at its best. Let's dive in. The Chevy Impala 396, a true muscle car from the golden age of American performance. Powered by a 396 cubic inch V8, this car isn't just about looks, it's about performance too. But like any classic, maintaining it requires a bit of care and attention. Here's how you can keep your Impala in top shape, whether it's for cruising down the road or taking it to a show. First, let's talk about the engine, the heart of the Impala 396. Regular oil changes are a must. For this car, you want to change the oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Clean, fresh oil ensures smooth operation and reduces engine wear. Always check your oil levels, and don't forget to replace the oil filter every time you change the oil. Keeping the engine well lubricated is crucial for long-term reliability. Also, don't forget the cooling system. Overheating can be a major issue, especially in classic cars. Check your coolant level regularly and flush the radiator every couple of years. Also, keep an eye on the hoses. If they're cracked or leaking, replace them as soon as possible. Next up, let's look at the transmission. The 396 is known for its power, and making sure your transmission fluid is topped up is essential. Check the fluid levels and make sure they're clean. Dirty or low transmission fluid can cause slipping or even costly repairs. With all that power, it's vital to have a reliable braking system. Inspect your brake pads and rotors regularly for wear. If they're worn down, replace them before they compromise your safety. The same goes for the brake lines, check for leaks or wear. Since the Impala 396 is a heavy car, the suspension takes a lot of stress. Make sure the shocks, springs, and struts are in good condition. Worn suspension parts can affect handling and ride quality, so check them often. The Impala's sleek lines and chrome accents deserve to be protected. Regular washing and waxing not only keep it looking great but also protect the paint from the elements. Use a good quality wax to maintain that shine, and be sure to clean the chrome accents to prevent rust. Remember, a little protection goes a long way in keeping your car looking fresh. Inside, the condition of the upholstery and dashboard is important too. If you have leather seats, clean and condition them regularly to prevent cracking. If your seats are cloth, vacuum them often to remove dirt and debris. Also, use a mild cleaner on the dashboard to avoid damaging the trim or leaving it with a sticky residue. Don't forget to check for cracks or wear in the upholstery and repair them before they get worse. If you're storing your Impala for the winter or a long period of time, it's essential to prep the car properly. And before storing, fill the gas tank and add a fuel stabilizer to avoid any fuel issues when you bring the car back out. Maintaining your Chevy Impala 396 is all about attention to detail. With the right care, you can keep this muscle car running strong and looking sharp for years to come. So, take the time to check your fluids, maintain the engine, and protect the body. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car tips. See you in the next one.